In this video, I'll show you how to auto share your new YouTube video to various social media profiles. For that, I'm going to use Make. I'm already signed into my Make account. So let me show you that. Here is my Make account and dashboard. By clicking on create a new scenario, I can create a new automation. So let's do that. Now for this automation to work, I need RSS feed of all the YouTube videos I publish. So for that, I need to go to Chrome and show you how to get it. To get the RSS feed of all the videos that you post, you need to remember this URL. I'll be providing it in the description box and first pinned comment. For example, it will be like this: https www.youtube.com/feeds/videos.xml channel ID is equal to this. This is my channel ID, and it will be different for you. To get your channel ID, you just need to search your domain, search your channel name, and this is the channel ID after channel/UC. Okay, so this is how you can get your channel ID, and just replace it here and you will be able to get your RSS feed. So I'll be getting it right now. Here you can see this is my RSS feed. Now let's go back and create the automation. For this, I'm going to click on this plus button and going to click RSS. So this is watch RSS feed items. Now it is asking for the URL. Let's provide that URL here. And now I just need one maximum number of returns. So click on save. And from here you can select from now on. And then click on save. Let's test it out by right clicking and then run this module. Okay, so it is working properly. Now we just need to add in the social media profiles where we need to share these RSS feeds. So I'm going to use router here. So let's use that. And then the first one is going to be Facebook. I'll be sharing my new videos automatically to Facebook. So let's do that. And select create a post. Okay. After that, just connect with your Facebook account. Since I am already connected, so I was not asked to connect. You can do it by clicking on add, and then you can select the page where you want your video to be published. So I'm going to select from here this page, and then for message we can get the values from RSS, and it is going to be the description title. And before that, I'll add new video is out. This way readers will know this is a new video from my channel. And then I can also add one hashtag of my choice, and it is going to be for me FTTT, fixing tiny tedious things. And then it is going to be the link, so we can get the link from here. This is the URL, and then we can save it. Now if I quickly go ahead and run this, let's see how it works. For title, first time we have to supply the information. Let me use this one.
I made a mistake in my life, and
so here you can see this is the title. I'm going to copy it for the first time, and then I'm going to paste here, and then I'm going to copy the URL of the video. So this is going to go here, and let's click on OK, and this is automatically going to be shared on my channel. Okay, it is done. It is shared on my channel. So let me show you that by visiting that channel, facebook.com/. So here's the video which I just published through make.com. Now whenever I publish a new video, it will be automatically shared on this page, just like that. And remember, I gave it a hashtag, and here's that hashtag. So this is how you can automatically post your YouTube videos to various different platforms. I just shared you how to share it on Facebook. Now we can do the automation for other channels. Now let's click on this one and always press that save button at the end of each automation you do. And here you can see create a user text post. So I'm going to do that. Let's create a connection first. Since I have no connection here, so I'm now joining a new connection. Okay, we have successfully added our LinkedIn connection. Now here you can see it is asking for the content. Same again, I'm going to go ahead title, and here I'm going to say new video is out now. And here again I can do FTTT, and after that I will also add the URL over here only because it is going to be a text post. So let's do that and copy. Okay, and for visibility it is a public feed, yes, and then here you can see I'm not disabling the reshare, so let's save it. And now let's check this one as well. So for title I'm going to add the same title from here. And let's click on OK. Okay, so this has also worked. So we have added Facebook, LinkedIn. Let's see if this post has gone live on LinkedIn. Okay, here it is. So we have added this URL. If I click on it, and you will see it is going to my, so it's done from here. Now we can go to Pinterest. Let's add one more from here. Let's add Pinterest. Create a pin. Since I already have my connection added to Pinterest, so I won't be creating another one. I just need to select the board where I need to post this. So it's going to be, or let's do image URL, and image URL is going to be this, and the board is going to be worth looking. Title is going to be this title, and the URL is going to be, and description is going to be this. If you want, you can give the alternative text as well. It will help your video be recovered through Google image. Now for link, let's add the URL. Okay, so here click on map, and this is image URL. Do that all the time. Let's click on save and see if it works. And let's provide the URL first. Once again, let's right click and do page source, and let's Control F and search for ytimg/vi and click on, and this is your image. Just copy the image URL and provide it in here. So this is the image URL. Now again provide the title. So the title was this, and description was, let's put the same description as title as description, and now the URL, and just put here. And now let's click on OK. So here you see Pinterest is also done. Now we have this simple diagram in which we have RSS feed, a router, and 3 social media platforms where our post being shared. So let me go to Pinterest and show you where our post is created. click on saved, and here you can see our pin is created. This is our pin which I created just now through automation, and this is our title, this is our description. Going forward, you don't have to do anything. The automation is set, and whenever you post a new video, it will be automatically shared on all these platforms you put here. You can add more platforms, but I'll be keeping them to 3 for now, and in future I can add more. But this is how you can automatically share your new videos to other social media platforms. If you have any questions about the automation of your YouTube videos, let me know. I'll be answering all your questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.